Come away with me to the bird bar. Come join the bird bar, fun and games there'll be. Come and see what's on at the bird bar.
The garden is very warm and still. I wonder who'll be at the bird bath today. It's Bob Robin.
Looks like I'm the only one here.
Oh, no, you're not.
Who said that?
I did.
Where are you?
On this leaf.
A tiny caterpillar is floating on a leaf in the bird bath.
Hello, I'm Bob Robin.
I'm Colin.
What are you doing in the bird bath, Colin?
The wind blew me out of the tree. Could you take me back up? I'm really hungry.
Of course. I'm feeling hungry too.
I wish I could fly like you, Bob.
A caterpillar with wings? That's funny. Those berries look tasty. Hey, Colin, save some for me.
Colin the caterpillar was so hungry, he ate all the berries.
Sorry, Bob, I was just so hungry.
That's okay, Colin. I'll go and find something else to eat. Cheerio.
As Bob was flying along, he bumped into Herbert Heron.
Hello, Bob. What's all the hurry?
It's past my dinner time.
You should fly down to the bird table. You'll find some lovely fruitcake there.
Fruitcake, my favourite. I'll get Mo. She loves fruitcake. Thanks, Herbert.
How strange. I wonder where all the leaves and berries have gone.
I've eaten them.
Who said that?
I did.
Gracious me, what a hungry little caterpillar.
I'm still hungry.
Do you like fruitcake?
I like any kind of cake.
Follow me to the bird table.
I can't fly.
Then hop aboard my beak. I'll give you a ride.
Back at the bird bath, Mo Sparrow is waiting for Bob.
Mo!
Slow down, Bob. What are you so excited about?
There's fruitcake at the bird table. And I'm really hungry.
You're always hungry, Bob.
Jackie Blackbird had come to the bird table for some fruitcake, but it had all gone.
Herbert, you've eaten all the cake.
Not me, my dear. My little friend Colin here.
Where?
He was here a minute ago.
Just then, Bob Robin and Mo Sparrow arrived at the bird table.
There's no cake left.
Who's eaten it all?
It was Colin the caterpillar.
A caterpillar?
Yes, he ate all the berries.
Caterpillars eat a lot so that they can grow and change. Oh, I say, that leaf's moving. That's not a leaf. That's a chrysalis.
What's a chrysalis?
It's what a caterpillar turns into when it stops growing. Watch.
At that moment, the chrysalis opens up, and out flutters a brightly coloured butterfly.
Hello, Bob. Hello, Herbert. It's me, Colin.
But Colin's a caterpillar.
He's changed, Bob, into a beautiful butterfly.
Well, I never.
Now I've got wings, I can fly, just like you.
What's that growling?
Oops, my tummy's rumbling. I'm ever so hungry.
Don't worry, Bob. I've got some nice seed cake back at my nest.
Oh, thanks, Jackie.
Let's just hope our friend Colin doesn't get there before us.
Come and join us at the bird bath again soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and what fun there's been